one of the brands I've enjoyed getting to know better lately reached out to inquire if I'd be interested in receiving their Glass Desktop Whiteboard and Organizer. Chalkola makes quality art supplies like paint sets and markers, and now they've come out with this fun and innovative desk storage device. The organizer is ready to use right out of the box, no assembly required. It's perfect for the space in between your keyboard and monitor. It comes with 3 vibrant glass markers specifically formulated for glass that write clearly and erase without residue. You can also use standard dry erase markers on the glass top as well. The smooth textured glass lid is perfect for to-do lists, reminders, and daily planning, and a great replacement for sticky notes. Need a better way to stay on track for the day or to remind yourself of that important phone call? This solution is a new, innovative, and eco-friendly way to do just that. Inside are 5 compartments for desk organization, and the overall measurements are 16 inches by 7 inches by 2 inches. With anti-slip pads and an angled design, it can be used as a keyboard base as well. This would make a great gift for remote workers, students heading off to college, or anyone seeking to enhance their workspace. The craftsmanship and construction are high quality and made with durable materials. It meets the expectations I have for the brand, and I'd highly recommend checking it out for yourself. I hope this overview was helpful. Thanks for watching.